Welcome, my name is Claire Land and this is
Carson.
Today we'll be showing you what a cyclotron is and how it works.
So this is the electromagnet.
It's basically just a coil of wire that you can send electricity through, and then it becomes a magnet.
And this is a capacitor.
A capacitor stores energy from the battery, which is a steady flow, and then sends the capacitor sends that energy out in bursts.
And this black rectangle thing is the transistor.
And that decides when the bursts of electricity from the capacitor go into the electromagnets to turn the magnets on and off.
And this is the LED light.
And the LED light helps the electricity move more easily through the electromagnets, and it also just acts like a light.
And this thing is called a variable resistor.
And it decides, helps choose when, you can twist it, so you can choose what how strong the voltage is when it goes into the electromagnets.
So this is how a cyclotron works.
And if you put them all together, it will make a cyclotron move. But then you need to put the batteries in. And Kari will show you how the cyclotron works.
So you put the thing into the batteries. You need 2 batteries to make the cyclotron works.
So it's a stronger voltage.
Mm-hmm. So, and then you bring the magnet ball to the coil, and then when you see it move up and down, you can put it flat on the table.
Sometimes it takes a few tries.
So you hear that up and down thing, so you can put it. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm just gonna try again.
And then you can turn the variable resistor to decide how much electricity goes through, so you can make it go fast or slow.